Do you know how to talk about clothes in English? Let's learn how to describe what you wear. T-shirt. T-shirt. She bought a new red t-shirt yesterday. Shirt. Shirt. His white shirt looks very clean. Jeans. Jeans. I usually wear jeans on the weekends. Jacket. Jacket. He put on a jacket because it was cold outside. Coat. Coat. My winter coat keeps me warm. Sweater. Sweater. This sweater is very soft and comfortable. Hoodie. Hoodie. She wore a black hoodie to school. Pants. Pants. I need new pants for work. Shorts. Shorts. He is wearing shorts because it's hot today. Skirt. Skirt. Her skirt is long and elegant. Dress. Dress. She chose a blue dress for the party. Blouse. Blouse. The blouse matches her skirt. Suit. Suit. He wore a formal suit to the meeting. Tie. Tie. His tie has a nice pattern. Belt. Belt. My belt is too tight. Socks. Socks. I can't find my socks. Shoes. Shoes. These shoes are very comfortable. Sneakers. Sneakers. He wears sneakers for running. Boots. Boots. Her boots are waterproof. Sandals. Sandals. I prefer sandals in summer. Hat. Hat. He wore a hat to protect himself from the sun. Cap. Cap. She bought a new baseball cap. Scarf. Scarf. This scarf keeps my neck warm. Gloves. Gloves. I need gloves in the winter. Mittens. Mittens. The child wore warm mittens. Pajamas. Pajamas. I changed into my pajamas before bed. Underwear. Underwear. He packed clean underwear for the trip. Bra. Bra. She bought a comfortable bra. Leggings. Leggings. She wears leggings for yoga class. Cardigan. Cardigan. She put on a cardigan because it was chilly. Vest. Vest. He wore a vest over his shirt. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. She bought a new swimsuit for the beach. Bikini. Bikini. Her bikini is bright yellow. Raincoat. Raincoat. Take your raincoat, it might rain. Overcoat. Overcoat. His overcoat looks very stylish. Uniform. Uniform. Students must wear a uniform at school. Jumpsuit. Jumpsuit. She wore a jumpsuit to the event. Overalls. Overalls. He wears overalls when working outside. Slippers. Slippers. I like wearing slippers at home. Heels. Heels. She wore high heels to the dinner. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. I always pack flip-flops for the beach. Beanie. Beanie. His beanie keeps his head warm. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Don't forget your sunglasses. Watch. Watch. He checked the time on his watch. Bracelet. Bracelet. She wore a silver bracelet. Necklace. Necklace. Her necklace is very beautiful. Earrings. Earrings. She bought new earrings. Backpack. Backpack. He carries his books in a backpack. Purse. Purse. She put her wallet in her purse. Wallet. Wallet. I lost my wallet yesterday. Nice work, you know clothes vocabulary now. Next, let's learn opposite words. They're fun and useful.